Good afternoon, everyone. I welcome you once again to Buchi Online Maths. Today we have this question that says if y equals e raised to the power 2x, we should find dy dx. That is, we should differentiate y with respect to x. In order to do this, remember this is an exponential function, so we normally use the formula known as function of a function. The formula states that dy dx, that is what the formula states, dy dx equals dy du times du dx. Okay, that is what the formula states. Okay. Now this is the formula we are going to use. It is known as function of a function. In the formula we have u, so let us define u. You can say let u equals, u is always the term here which is the exponent of e. Okay, so we call u 2x. Then y will now be the whole of this. Therefore, if that is the case, y will now be e raised to the power u. Okay, now this is, you can call this equation 1, you can call this equation 2. Now let us go to the formula and determine dy du. Here we are going to find dy du, and to get dy du we will get it from this equation 2, because we are going to differentiate y with respect to u. So in order to do that, we say dy du equals, to differentiate e raised to power u is still the same thing as e raised to power u. Nothing changes. Now let's go to the next page and determine du dx. Okay, du dx will be determined from equation 1. Now equation 1 says u equals 2x. So let's go to the next page to determine that. So we have du dx equals, remember that u equals 2x. So to differentiate 2x, x is a variable. The differential value of a variable is 1. Okay, 1 times 2 will give us 2. Okay, so to differentiate 2x, we are going to get 2 here. Therefore, let's now go to the formula and apply everything we have done. Dy dx equals, remember, I'm restating the formula, equals dy du times du dx. Okay, now what is our dy du? Let's go back to the page. Dy du is e raised to power u. Therefore, we have it here as e raised to power u. Then times du dx is this one we have just determined as 2. So du dx is 2. Now let's multiply e raised to power u by 2. We have 2 e raised to power u. Now what is our u? Our u, if you can remember, is 2x. Okay, let's go back to the page and see it. Yes, equation 1, u is 2x. Therefore, we go to the next page and apply it anywhere we see u. Instead of writing u, we now replace u here with 2x, and this is the answer. Thank you for watching. Please, if you are a student and you like what I am doing, please go to my Facebook page and like my page, share my videos. The same thing on YouTube channel, Buchi Online Maths. Subscribe to my channel and share my videos. Once again, I wish you Happy New Year in advance. Thank you and have a wonderful day.